Hi, everybody. I just figured I'd... Hold on. Just figured we'd give you a little update on the shop. So, we're working on the truck right now. U-joints and support bearing were replaced. I've replaced... So, when I was trailering a car, the rear passenger side wheel snapped 4 of the 8 lug studs. It's not on there straight. Anyways, it snapped 4 of the 8 lug studs, so I replaced them on that side, but that didn't really inspire confidence in me about the other wheels. So I've replaced all the lug studs in the back. I'm just replacing the lug studs in the front. These are really easy because all you have to do is pull the caliper and pound them out, whereas the rears you have to take the hubs off. And those really, you gotta press them out. They take some doing. At least mine did. These, you can pound them out, put them back in. It's really not that bad. And I'm looking at the brake lines. Ooh, that makes me scared. And doing this is, they're probably fine. Only problem is this truck is going to be going on a fairly large trip. We're going to go buy a car for my girlfriend's here. I'm not going to say where. I'll put it up on the channel. But it's going to be 3,500 miles in 3 days. We're driving a little extra to go see the Grand Canyon. So we're not going. The car is not in Arizona. So somewhere around there out west. But I'm not going to say where. I'm not going to say what we're buying. It's very hard to find. It's very hard to find a clean one. And they're a pain in the butt to fix rust-wise because of how they're built. So that sort of narrows it down for... It's also from the 1960s, American. So it kind of narrows it down, being a pain in the ass to fix rust on. But yeah, so we're going to be fixing the truck up for the trip. We're going to be alternating drivers every 4 hours, like a Le Mans style. And it should be good. It should be a really good trip. But we're gonna see the Grand Canyon. Things like that. I've been driving the Benz this week. It's been driving good. Still shifts weird, but it's comfortable. Beating on it in town, like flooring it at every red light. I got 22 miles to the gallon, which is not bad. I'm not too unhappy with that. That's about what I'd expect. It's about what the Taurus would get in town, except the Taurus never got. The Taurus never did any good on the highway. That Benz got 30 miles to the gallon. The Taurus, the best I got was 26, and that was a little disappointing. If the Taurus had hit its claimed 28 miles to the gallon, I might still have it. Anyways, shop update. We have kayaks in the shop now. And I put up a new shelf. The shelf I was planning to do, so that's up. Alex's car is gone. We did minimal body work. We did some paint work. Got it good enough, and he took it to Iola. So, it's gone. I have my shop back. Triumph is coming along. I've been busy working on this and busy fixing other things and stuff like that. But it is coming along. We got the clutches set up. Not quite. We got to make sure the clutches are opening and closing correctly. Which means I have that side all set to go. Now I have to hop onto this side, assemble my gearbox, my engine, tie my valves, and then I can finish setting up my clutch. And then we can put all the engine covers on, get the fuel tank on, and fire it up. hopefully all that's going to happen tomorrow, which is Saturday. And I'm not sure. Yeah, that's pretty much all that's been going on. Is getting this thing ready to go. The big long trip to get the car. Yeah, those brake lines. I'm going to pretend I didn't see those front brake lines, especially when we're going through the Rocky Mountains with a car on a trailer that has no trailer brakes. Should be good. All the other brake lines are great. I know, actually no. The previous owner only replaced the hard lines. He did not replace any of the hoses. Okay, well, maybe we'll do hoses next week. Once the Triumph is done, maybe we'll replace all the brake hoses. I'm sure that would go very well. I'm sure I won't snap anything off, like bleeders or anything, and I'm sure I won't have to buy new calipers. Oh, gosh. Anyways, I think we're just going to leave them. They don't leak. They're not going to leak starting in the next week. Pretty much all on the interstate anyways. You barely have to hit the brakes on the interstate. So, yeah, that's about it. It's a little short little update on the shop. Things have been, we moved some stuff around to get it organized better. The engine and stuff is under my workbench now. So there lives the 302. Yeah, so that's about it. I'm going to keep working.